Okay, so I looked up a few things, and you're definitely sick. You're definitely a sick bird. I think we should just go home to my house. But your eyes are opening, and I know you're tired. I bet you're thirsty. Maybe I can find I don't know what this bird feeder water thing is. Oh, you're so tired and sick. I think you're hurt for sure. I don't even know, sweet baby bird. But you're red and I'm redheaded, and I just need to help you, I guess. Dr. Hamlin's not here. I don't know. It's a real live bird. I thought it was like a decoration at first when I saw him on the road. Like, I thought it was a decoration, and I thought, well, whether it's a dead bird or a live bird or a fake bird, I'm going to go get him. But he's sick. Maybe it's a she. How can I tell what kind of bird this is? Red robin? Okay, I should look that up. I don't know what else to do. Where's... I have no money. They're not going to just fix you. What was I going to do with a dead bird? What, am I crazy? I'm crazy. Hi. I'm sorry. This feels so stupid. Hi. I was just coming here because it was the closest place to go. I have a bird that's... I don't know what I'm doing. Where's, like, the emergency place out in Pensacola?
It's all the way in town, and I don't really know that.
Okay. All right. I guess I just came here in hopes, but sorry, I was just dealing with that, and I'm about to leave. It's okay. It's okay, bird. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. Okay. We're moving for Mrs. Hamlin, I guess. Is her name. I don't know if that's his wife still or what the fuck ever. You're not trying to get away. You're really just not trying to get away. But you're awake now. Hi, birdie bird. It's okay, babies. It's okay. I'm gonna take you, I guess, to my home. I don't know where the place is. Emergency. They're not gonna fix you. You look okay. I'm gonna get you some water at my house, okay? And then if it was close to where I found you, if you want to leave, if you feel better, we can get you a worm or something. I don't know what we can feed you. We'll find some. Polly wants a cracker. Crackers. We'll get some crackers. Yeah, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try, birdie bird. It's okay. God, I am so silly. I'm such a silly girl. Hi, birdie bird. It's okay. Are you coming out of it? Are you like in a trance or something? What the hell? You look better already. You don't look so puffy. You were looking really puffy. You were looking really puffy there for a second. Did you get knocked the fuck out? Like by a car? I feel like you hit a windshield or something. What do you think? You think you hit a windshield? You're not trying to fly away. Maybe something's broken. Your beak is looking a little rough with your feather there in your beak. Beak, 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 beak. Pretty bird, pretty bird. Yeah, I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. It's okay. It's okay, pretty bird. Hey, boy. Look at you. You're handsome. You look not so puffy. And you're not, like, out of it, like you're doped up anymore. You're, like, wide awake now. Oh, my God. You scared me, man. I thought, like, you were going to die, like, any second. I can get you some water. I don't know how you drink water, though. I don't know shit about birds. I'm dumb. Oh, I'm trying to remember. Are you a red robin? Red robin. You feel the air? Do you want to get out? Wind. Yay. That's wind. You know about wind, huh? If anybody knows about wind, it's you. Please don't hurt yourself, okay? Oh, you're getting puffier. You're getting puffy. You puffing up? You feeling the breeze? Do you feel better? Yeah, you got a little ding on your head on this side right here. You got knocked the fuck out, huh? Are you okay? It's alright. Don't look mad. Don't be mad at me. It's alright, pretty bird. It's okay, pretty bird. It's a pretty bird. Get off my ass there, fucking Cadillac. SUV prick. Sorry, pretty bird. It's okay. Yeah, you're an asshole, motherfucker. Fuck you. I live here. What a dick. Did you see that, Robin? Oh my God. Oh, people are ridiculous. You're lucky you're a bird. So, I don't know. You look way better than when I first got you. I'm sorry if I scared you. Like, you are really pretty. And I thought you were dead. I did. I was going to take you off the road. But then you were like hypnotized or something. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. You're just being so still. You're in my car with me. Is your beak like broken or something, buddy? Let's look at your head. Let's try to get a good look. Pretty bird. Oh, you're so soft. He's so soft. He's getting all puffy again. You're mad? Is that what's up? Is that I'm pissing you off, huh? Wow. You're really beautiful. You're a very beautiful birdie bird. Is a pretty, pretty bird. Pretty, pretty bird. Oh, now you're going back to sleep. Oh, wow. You were just so pretty. You're like the prettiest bird in the world. Look at you. Don't die. I don't know what to do. You're so tired, huh? I'll get the stinky ashtray out of here for you. Right? Okay? I really want a cigarette, though. This thing's gonna cover you up, but you're gonna have to get off of this thing. No, it's not possible. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. It's okay. It's okay, birdie bird. It's okay, bird. It's alright. Am I squishing you? My stuff here? Am I squishing you? It's okay, bird. It's okay, birdie bird. It's okay. Hi. Hello. Welcome to my car and my house. Oh my gosh. What am I going to do with you? I don't know. You got a big gash on your head, huh? Hello, baby. Hello. It's alright? What do you drink out of? Okay, Google. Can you go on at the same time as the camera? Or stop it?